Hi, everyone. Yeah, sorry. Today is quite tired because just come back from a trip from Ireland. Now, right, we will summary about FBMKL and FCPO. This is in front of you is a 15-minute chart for FBMKL. You already saw this, right? Yesterday we mentioned about this zone. It's sell zone above bull line. That means after price move in this zone, price show weak reversal down. Weak reversal down it means they low chance to move lower than previous low. Now our strategy, right? We want to buy when price retrace. Okay, let me show you the idea. Okay, let me zoom out. This is a previous low. Okay, now we wait price retrace. After retrace finish, we plan to buy and hold for intermediate term. Okay, if that means if we buy and price move to touch stop loss, we need to cut loss. Okay, now it's not don't have any signal for buy yet. Why don't have signal? Because why? This long white it show heads of gangster at first floor. After that, they show the long black candlestick. If you are familiar with classic technical analysis, you may say that this is a dark cloud cover. In this case, right, we in ARTT, we support this black candlestick. It look like a head of gangster at third floor. That means if tomorrow, if price gap up, right, we may monitor this. If they gap up and move higher than this blue line, after that wash and rinse this candlestick. That means it's positive. But if price continue move down, that means this head of gangster is very important. If I want to buy, right, ARTT is familiar to buy as low as possible. If as low as possible, maybe we consider to plan to buy in this area. Why in this area? Because this area, right, is sideways. That means sideways below the price is mean it look like support. That means if price falling down tomorrow and falling down to this zone, I plan to buy if signal confirm. Okay, because of in ARTT, right, when price move down to touch buy zone, it's not mean you buy close eye and buy. It's not like that. You must consider and find significant reversal or significant movement. If you didn't see any significant movement, don't action. Okay, because in ARTT we have two significant act movement. First is reversal pattern. Second is heads of gangster. That means you must apply wash and rinse. Okay, and after that we look for FCPO. Wow, very good. FCPO, right? This FCPO is I have after I come back from Ireland, I got many questions from member that sent to my email. This question is very simple. They said Sifu, price moved down like this, and yesterday before market closed, they already bought. After they bought, they gap down this morning. After that, price run away down. When I heard this, I asked question back. Sorry, do you learn ARTT before? This guy said no. And do you know when we draw the line, when price retrace, we didn't close eye to buy. We look for strong reversal up. I asked this guy back, sorry, do you know our strong reversal up or not? He said, don't know. I said, if you don't know, you cannot follow. It is very dangerous because to trade in future market, right? I just want to tell you, if you don't have skill, if you don't have knowledge or experience, please don't trade because the market maker, right, in this market is very aggressive. I want to tell you, it's very aggressive. If you don't have knowledge, don't trade future market, okay? Because in ARTT, right, if you just follow yesterday, if you don't have knowledge, we already give you a stop loss is here, but you didn't stop loss, but you want to trade future market. I want to tell you, die. You hold until you lost a lot of money. Oh my God, don't trade, don't touch this market if you don't have skill and knowledge. Because in ARTT, right, when we mention buy, that means you must have two signals. First signal is strong reversal up. Second signal is wash and rinse head of gangster. If you didn't see these two signals, don't buy. Okay, this is a minimum information for all art member that learn in the first class. Okay, now right, we may do nothing. We just draw this line. I'm refer to ARTT version 2. Okay, if that means if tomorrow price move down, okay, price move down without rebound, you just follow a short position that you did hold. If you don't hold any position, if you want to enter short, you must wait until price rebound. Because entry short when price rebound is more safe. Okay. If you want to buy, okay, if you want to buy, you must understand the rule of buyer when market move downtrend. Because now market is move downtrend. If you don't have any knowledge to buy, if you buy, guarantee you will stop loss. Buy and stop loss, buy and stop loss. If you want to sell when market falling down, after you sell, market will gap up. Sell again, market gap up. That means to play safe in future market, you must follow the rule. The rule is sell when price rebound. Okay, sell when price rebound, when market downtrend, and buy when price retrace, when market uptrend. If market no trend, no trade. Okay, come on, tell me again. If market no trend, no trade. And before you put money in the market, right, you must verify. You must look for the best signal that you can earn money. Maybe when you look in the chart, right, you may not see any signal that you, what they call, trust to buy. If you don't have any signal that you confident to buy, don't trade. Okay, thank you very much. We will, if tomorrow market rebound and follow this blue line, you just apply ARTT version 2 to sell. If don't know, don't trade. In opposite way, if market gap down, okay, don't follow short. You need to wait until price rebound. Okay, thank you very much. Today I'm very tired and want to sleep. Thank you very much.